Hi there, students. To jilt. Jilted, an adjective. Okay, let's see. Mainly they use this verb to jilt, meaning to finish a romantic relationship with somebody suddenly and unkindly, particularly when they're not expecting it. So he jilted her for her best friend. He walked out on her. He left her. Yeah. So she jilted him at the altar. They were going to get married. Everybody was at the church, and she didn't turn up. She left. She walked out. She threw him over. She broke up with him. Yeah. Okay. So effectively, to jilt, to break up a relationship suddenly, in a surprising way, in an upsetting way. Yeah. She was jilted by her fiancé. When he discovered she was pregnant, he jilted her. Or when she discovered she was pregnant, she jilted him. Why not? A jilted lover, a jilted husband. So let's see. That's very specific, but if you're inventive, you could use this in other ways. For example, when a long-term relationship is broken. For example, Winston Churchill was the leader of the coalition government during the Second World War. But there were elections immediately after the Second World War, and the British population jilted Churchill. Yeah, they didn't vote for him. They voted for someone else. So I'm sure he felt jilted. We've been doing business with this company for many, many, many years. Yeah, we've been their major supplier, but they last month they jilted us. They found another supplier who provided it at a cheaper price. They didn't even negotiate with us. They just jilted us. Okay, so to jilt, maybe a politician wants to change from one party to another. He could jilt his old political party. Yeah, to change from one side to the other. I guess that would be to jilt as well. So effectively to abandon, to ditch, to desert, to betray. Yeah, to forsake. So all the dictionaries just give this jilt for a man or a woman to leave their partner. Yeah, but I think you can go a lot further with it. It's to ditch somebody. Yeah, football is very fickle. If you are winning as a manager, you are the hero of the fans. But watch out, lose 2 or 3 matches in a row and you'll get jilted. Yeah, they'll start hating you, or the management of the club will sack you. To jilt. Okay, to jilt, formality. That's an interesting one. I think I'm going to give jilt a 5 in formality. I would say you could use it anywhere. Notice as well, to jilt somebody for somebody else. Yeah, a jilted lover. And then as to origin, well, this actually comes from a very old-fashioned Scottish word, Gillette, meaning a girl who was very flirtatious. Yeah, a flirtatious girl. So it used to be sexist, but now it's become unisex. Yeah, and effectively it comes from the name Jill. Okay, so to jilt, to abandon suddenly, particularly in a romantic relationship, to abandon in a surprising and callous and unfeeling way. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Jilt.